front
Hold
of the
on,
mirror.
I'm gonna here.
With your name. Where's your name?
Brenna. So Daddy.
Ah, with your name.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, Brenna.
You got the unicorn?
Yes.
Is this a llama?
It is.
That's a llama.
We just got that one in and I thought it was adorable, so I had to put it in one of your guys' rooms.
Brenna, come here.
Ugh.
Here, Daddy's watching.
Look at this outfit. These outfits, Mommy.
Don't remember.
Oh, look at these shoes.
Hold up your
Pig. Emoji.
I keep getting in the picture because it's in the mirror. Come here, except this one. Except this one, right here.
Personal, private fitting room.
Oh, nope, I gotta adjust it.
Alright, bud. Yeah.
Oh, my battery's dying! No!
Mommy.
Yeah.
I want to take a picture of
Mommy,
Huh?
why is there only 4 and there's 6 people?
There should be only 4 of you coming today.
Oh.
Oh, only 4 people are coming today?
That's what I have.
I don't know.
That's what
Oh,
my
there's
list
6
says.
total. If I'm not coming today.
This is mine.
There's 4 more people coming tomorrow. So,
Oh, okay.
This is mine.
I see.
are you guys going to the fashion show?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you guys going to be in it?
Yes.
Yeah? Awesome.
Mommy, check out this emoji shirt.
Show.
Oh,
Plug
Brenna.
my battery in.
look at
Yes.
this. Check out this emoji shirt, Mommy.
I'm sorry, baby. I didn't hear you.
Look at those shoes.
Ow. Mine was the first one.
Is this like the flagship store?
Yes.
Look at these slippers.
Sorry, it's just all
These are emojis.
It's a sleeping bag. You can take it just when you sleep at John's.
I don't know, honey. We're gonna
Yeah,
wait until
good
everybody
idea,
else gets
Mommy.
here, and we'll find out exactly what's supposed to happen.
Oh,